time, a long, long time ago, there lived a little boy. A little boy. And the little boy liked to dance. He had a lot of friends. Hello, we're dancing, dancing. And one time, they met a cop. Hey, I'm a cop. I'm really evil because I am evil cop. And it was after curfew. And so the cop,
pull up next to these guys here, they want to...
you would come with me. Talk louder. And that was the end because they all had to stay in prison for a very long time and they were very sad, but the cop was happy.
500 years later. Go! Go!
Puppet show.
We're in space.